Hello, welcome to Booked Up English. My name is Susan. What's your name? Say hello in the comments. Today, we will review what we learned this week. You will need a pencil and a notebook, or the free download page. Available in the comments. Let's go. Toothbrush. What's this? This is a toothbrush. Toothpaste. What's this? This is toothpaste. Soap. What's this? This is soap. Brush. What's this? This is a brush. Swimsuit. What's this? This is a swimsuit. N. Newt. N says newt. What do you pack for vacation? I pack a toothbrush. I pack toothpaste. I pack soap. I pack a brush. I pack a swimsuit. My English. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Toothpaste. 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 Soap. 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 Brush. Brush. Swimsuit. Swimsuit. Newt. 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 N. It is the letter N. N says newt. N says N, N, newt. What letter is it? It is letter N. What does N say? N says newt. What do you pack? I pack soap. I pack soap. Soap. What do you pack? I pack a toothbrush. I pack a toothbrush. What do you pack? I pack a swimsuit. I pack a swimsuit. I pack a swimsuit. What do you pack? I pack a brush. I pack a brush. I pack a brush. Thanks for learning today. Use the notebook page to practice a little English each day. Like, follow, and share to get the latest. See you next week.